doing here?
Everyday rednecking right here. Father-in-law seems to have lost control of the skid steer down there. It's in the creek.
Let me go get the truck too.
Yeah, what did you do?
I just went for a wild ride. Kept sliding and sliding. I was fearing for my life. Thought I was gonna die. Not really.
Okay, so we probably have, I'd say that's close to 100 feet of chain down into there. He got a new, he bought a skid steer, a used one. But it's a nice one. It's a New Holland, but it's heavy. It's very heavy. And I think he was at this dead tree over here. And we got, you know how much rain we got last night? Did it say?
I have no clue.
So it rained last night, randomly out of nowhere. You can see his track right here. I mean, the dirt's wet. So he got to about this dead tree, and that's when it started sliding. You got good shoes on, I'll take this. So,
Yeah, I'm not walking on it.
So he hit this tree. So he was here, and then you can kind of see where the path starts to go. So he started drifting. All these dang blackberries. Drifted over that way, tried to squirrel himself out here, kept going this way. Oh, he got himself in all kinds of trouble down here. Hit the tree, obviously, and moved the tree, and ended up down there. So, he plowed through the fence, so we gotta fix the fence again. The dog fence is broken, so Macy could go running wild if she wanted to. We put her away. I told him we might as well just drive down there to the creek and go out that way if you could, but he's got himself in a little bit of a predicament. Of course, I get home from work, left at 4 a.m., it's 5 p.m. And I need your help! Of course. It's just how my life goes. I was looking forward to some Mexican food. That's not gonna happen. Well, it's still gonna happen. We're gonna go. But we gotta get this out first. So we got all the chain. About 100 feet of it, maybe, is my guess. I'll drive the tractor and try to pull it. That tractor ain't gonna pull it. It's freaking heavy. So I think he's gonna hook the truck to the tractor.
I don't know about that.
This is YouTube content right here. So hopefully y'all will be entertained with it. You know what it reminds me of? You know, Walk the Line, when Joaquin Phoenix, who plays Johnny Cash, gets that brand new tractor after he's made it, you know, and then he runs the damn tractor into the lake. Pretty much what this always reminds me of, because I feel like this happens often. How many times have you got stuck?
With him?
Yeah.
Oh, a handful.
Lawnmowers.
Trucks.
This is nothing new to you, huh?
Nope. And it was down a hill too the last time.
This is an everyday thing for you.
All right, sir.
Can you get that camera off me?
We've got a tractor stuck, a truck stuck on the side of the hill where we've been working.
Yeah, but that's not even stuck. That's in a ravine.
What? Yeah, I gotta back up. Don't have drive it.
Should be a normal right here.
He has a Jeep Rubicon in the garage that has a winch and a strong tow cable. But here we are doing this circus.
You want me to back up right now?
Back up. Let's go straight back. Take the emergency off.
What is on? I can't even see out these mirrors. Let me fix.
Wait, go back a little bit. Oh.
I thought you were.
Imagine that, using a Jeep with a winch instead of the circus. We just hooked the boat to it too. It's water.
Nice job. You took one link of chain out, looking for the chain, now I can hit another fucking chain.
Got one. That's the heavier duty one.
That's right, bring that one. Hit the tree, don't hit the tree, you'll mess it up.
Yeah, and that just started giving me peaches too.
Phil,
That's why he called you over here.
right there how to start it.
How many times have you and your brother found yourself in this position?
We haven't. This is it first. It's telling me the seat belt's not buckled, and it is. My fat ass. You have to do what?
You have to keep wiggling around until the light goes out.
Oh.
For the seat belt.
Just wiggle. Mom.
Change direction, you pull it straight into the tree.
Yeah.
Hey.
Come this way?
Yeah, I mean, what's the path up on top to go that direction?
It gets flat up there by the garden. He'll be closer than he is over there.
Yeah, because he just pulled me into this tree, and he's gonna do it again.
Yeah, we need to come straight up this way then. Hey, we gotta go right here. There's one, a burrito. Hell, I'm gonna take a margarita at this point.
Take the sticks out.
All right, so Jeep didn't work because he ended up pulling him into that tree and he was just spinning wheels. So now, we'll try to shoot up this way. Man, this little hill works you. I don't know if it looks as steep as it does on camera, but this is, whew. I'm gonna walk over here because chains not so much, but straps, those things go. we're back to the Jeep. Any takers? Is this gonna happen?
Not yet.
No?
No over
Okay.
under yet.
Okay, no over under. All right. Back to Jeep. I'm telling you, the boat will work.
We need the jet boat.
The boat with the mower. We'll be in the clear.
Wound this up. I'm gonna try to turn it around.
You sure?
See if we go sideways and all hit.
You were.
I'll try to pull it the other way that I can dig and push it.
Oh, that makes sense. Okay. So he flipped it around.
Hold the chain tight and then stop.
He's gonna try to pull backwards, and then he can kind of dig as he goes, kind of hump himself up. This is good dirt right now. I need to get me a scoop for the garden.
The way up on.
This is damn good dirt.
Keep going, keep going. All right, hang on. Let me get in the machine, get started.
It's just. I need to film more of this because this is just what happens weekly.
Hey, bring your chainsaw up here. You got the real big one, the one with about a 30-inch blade. Because we got to go around and there's a tree in our way.
I was trying to yell and I kept
I thought I heard something. I looked that way. I don't know where. I think I'm see over there.
Jeff, if I hit you to the back, can I spin you around?
Yeah. Come, we already did that.
We're spun.
We spun around, but then we drove right into it.
The biggest tree down here. So you did truck and Jeep to get it out?
Yeah.
Swing past the tree
Yeah.
and go that way, and then like I was just paying attention to not stopping.
Well, and Jeff kept hitting the horn on accident, so he wasn't meaning to like tell you guys to stop. All right, let's go get margaritas.
How do you pull this in?
He could deal with it. Yeah, now get in it and show us what you did.
We don't believe you did what you're saying. Show us.
Yeah, get in it and show us. Reenact it.
We can get it out. I'll do it again. I ain't scared. Go ahead, do it again. Watch me go home.
She's going back, and he goes,
You said
he
don't
goes,
stop.
brake lights mean stop, but she's like, you told me not to stop. She's over there to go,
You're down there, the camera. You're down there. On the bumper. Also like this. Bam, 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 bam.
and she's spinning her wheels, and we're just going.
I'm trying to get her stopped so she don't run into the boats and over there.
She did exactly what you told her
No,
to
she's
do.
supposed to. By now, she should know better than that.
And didn't you hear Jeff's horn meant go?
I hit the horn and stop. I don't know if it's coincidence or what, but damn it, I hit that horn and stop.
You're welcome.